As usual, the 128th birth anniversary of Jananeta Hijam Irabot is being observed across the state today. The government of Manipur has observed the 128th birth anniversary of late Jananeta Hijam Irabot today at Irabot Square, located at Tangmaiban, Leela Singh Khongnangkhong. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that abduction of two youths by Kuki militants is highly condemnable. The government of Manipur is trying to negotiate with the Kuki militants for safe release of the two Meitei youths of Thoubal at the earliest. For this, the government has dispatched the DGP Manipur at Kangpokpi to negotiate with the Kuki militants. The center and state governments take the issue a serious issue and trying in the highest level to safe release the two Meitei youths, namely Oinam Toitoi and Tokchom Toitoiba of Thoubal. He appealed the guardians of the two youths to stay calm.
Isa singdugi imong manung singsu matam khatang puning phathana leibina bai ko yam kanna honari hujik maksu koi DG masa hairiba mafamduda district pro salaga bari otai tongnaba thakre aduna soidana am positive oiba lambirom da lakane haibagi thajabai koida lei adu mayam punna isor khormina si haidana mayam da apel tokjeruga government gi side ge koi tawaya ba media da haibaya da mayam le to tawaya ba lambi khudima thirga koi honori haidana da mayna mayam da khanganjari demand si exact sini haiba hoi khara moigi inmates khara mafam ship tongnaba khona hairak pole adubu just government is trying to release them unconditionally and unharmed. As Irabot Jika 120 particular one has already released unharmed, and the state government and the central governments both are trying very hard to rescue them safely. And we are also sending the DGP to the district to talk with the concern so that both can be released unharmed. Till they are released safely, we cannot say anything, but we are trying our best to rescue them.